At last, a pair of scissors that are a match for any tough job. Introducing Rhino Scissors from Creative Products, the super strong multifunction scissors that cut through a variety of tasks with ease. A must-have in any kitchen, Rhino Scissors cut through meats, fish and poultry with ease. Strong enough to cut through bone, they make trimming chicken easy. Great for fish prep too. No chef should be without them. These super sharp scissors slice through meats such as bacon in no time. It's so easy. Trimming herbs or even veg. You name it, Rhino Scissors can do it all. Got a tough nut to crack? Smashed it. Crushing garlic? No problem. After all that work, you might need a drink. Rhino Scissors also have a built-in bottle opener. Even tricky screw tops are handled with ease. Now that really is handy. Rhino Scissors are made from high-grade, hardened steel for long-lasting use. The soft grip handles are specially designed for maximum comfort, so you'll never tire. Regular cheap scissors break so easily. These super strong scissors are tough enough for any job and can even slice through cable. There's a built-in wire stripper too. Rhino Scissors are great for fabrics and crafts of all types. You can even use them in the garden. No job is too big or small. Stay a cut above the rest with Rhino Scissors from Creative Products. Take yours to the checkout now.